We're back for the second half of the Life Off-Road season.
This week we are at the Amamoor State Forest.
These tracks are going to be a little bit more greasy, a little bit more muddy, and a lot more fun.
Woo!
Oh yeah! Oh my God!
Amamoor is full of natural beauty, but also
We need something that no one's going to drive. This monster of a hill, it's not been driven in years.
You just start thinking, what am I doing?
It's going to be an awesome weekend. Hang around for the excitement as Amamoor State Forest turns it on for us up here in Queensland.
I like it. Bring it on.